Glade Australian type rolling shutter door controller instructions, 2021. First, we open the controller housing and remove the key control cable from the housing. Now I introduce the method of pairing remote control. Press the code matching key in the black button in the middle of the top. After hearing the prompt tone, the remote control presses up, down, and stop 3 keys in sequence, and the said prompt indicates that the code matching is successful. Method of clearing pair remote control. Hold down the code key for 5 seconds. If a prompt tone is heard, the data is cleared successfully.
The 2 knobs are the size adjustment of the rebound resistance to open and close the door. The left one is the adjustment of the door opening strength, and the right one is the adjustment of the door closing strength. Counterclockwise force decreases, clockwise force increases. Description of the right terminal: common line interface, up interface, stop interface, down interface, external single key cyclic interface, DC 12 volt positive terminal interface, infrared sensor interface, DC 12 volt negative interface.
Controller signal output is divided into 2 types, 5-wire output and 3-wire output. The normal factory setting is 5-line output. If you need to switch to 3-line output, the circuit board should be connected in the middle of the 4 columns below the 2. Short circuit caps are usually used.